We designed this space to feel personal, warm, and luxurious. These are the before photos of this home's interior. It's a spacious space, but as you can see, there's no furniture or decor yet. The homeowner reached out to us via email asking for help with the layout, furniture selection, and overall styling of their home. So in this video, we'll walk you through the entire design process step by step. From an empty shell to a complete, well-thought-out interior, giving you ideas you can also apply to your own space. First, we need to understand your design preferences and the key things to consider before designing any space. For this one, the homeowner wants to redesign their living, dining, and kitchen area. They've been struggling to decide on the right furniture sizes and how to bring the space to life. Right now, everything just feels too white. It looks clean, but also cold and lifeless. For their preferred interior style, they want a Scandi-Classical style to keep the classical charm. But at the same time, they're leaning toward a Scandinavian touch. Something that feels light, calm, and simple, but still cozy. They also want to bring in wood elements and neutral tones to make the space feel warmer and more balanced. So now, let's start with the living room. It's a good space, high ceilings, wide layout, but that's also the challenge. Because when a space is too open and too bare, it can end up feeling cold. That's why you need the right layering, with furniture, texture, and lighting, to make sure the space feels full and inviting. Especially in this living room, the owner wanted 3 things: a comfortable seating area, an entertainment zone, and a small work desk. Let's start with the seating area. For a living room this spacious, you need a big sofa, not just for comfort, but to keep everything proportionate to the space. So we're going with a modular sofa in a neutral beige tone, styled with mixed texture and patterned pillows to add depth. At the center, we're placing a terrazzo coffee table. But to avoid that overly matching look and give the space a bold accent, we're adding a curved lounge chair in soft gray, positioned diagonally from the sofa. This is paired with a fluted base side table. Across from it, a round ottoman for extra seating or a comfy footrest. So how do you define this seating zone? You layer in a textured area rug with beige and cocoa geometric patterns. That instantly ties everything together. Then, to bring this whole space to life, we'll finish it with curated decors, high curtains to elevate the room's height, some artwork to add personality, and of course, indoor plants. Next up is the entertainment zone. We wanted to create an accent wall and break the illusion that the living area was just too tall and empty. So we introduced a custom TV wall, also called a media wall. This isn't just for looks. We used wood-tone fluted wall panels to match the calm, warm vibe of the overall interior style. But we didn't stop there. Below the smart TV, we mounted a floating console. Minimalist, clean, and perfect for hiding all the messy wires. We added lantern-style wall sconces, giving it that cozy evening feel. And of course, decor and plants to bring in life and personality. Now, the owner had one special request: a work-from-home desk right beside the media wall. So we placed a simple rectangular desk with a wood-framed chair, draped a cozy throw on it, and added a round side table for those coffee breaks in between Zoom calls. To preserve openness while defining zones, a vertical open slat shelving partition is a perfect choice. To finish it all off, we softened the space with full-height beige curtains that run across the windows and walls. On the double-height section, installed a sleek vertical LED wall sconce, the final detail that made the whole space feel polished but still calm and clean. So, what once an empty living area is now a well-planned space. Next up, the dining area. Here's what the owner specifically asked for: an 8-seater dining table, a feature or accent wall, better lighting, and curtains for the window. So, here's what we came up with. Let's start with the walls. Just like the living area, we used a soft light beige paint as the base. But to keep things consistent, we also added a fluted wooden wall panel. Same tone, same vibe. Now for the window, we installed full-height curtains in a neutral tone. The dining table? A clean white surface with light wood framing underneath. Paired with curved armrest chairs, it locks into that Scandinavian look the owner loves. Then we anchored the set with a textured neutral rug. Without that rug, the furniture would have just floated awkwardly in open space. Now, lighting. This is where it gets interesting. We added a recessed black track frame to define the entire dining zone. Then, we swapped out the old drop light with a modern multi-ring chandelier. It instantly elevated the whole vibe and matched the owner's style better. And finally, we brought in a few subtle touches to finish it off. Framed wall art, potted plants flanking both sides, and a tripod cone fabric floor lamp in the corner to dial up the cozy when needed. So that's how we transformed this dining area, balanced and personalized. Next up is the kitchen. Now, the owner's biggest concern was simple, but tricky. The space looked too plain. Everything was white, no texture, no personality. And because the ceiling was a lot higher than the rest of the house, it made the whole space feel cold and a bit. So, here's what she asked us to do. First, she wanted to add texture to the walls, something that fits the classical design of her cabinets and kitchen island, but it still had to connect smoothly with the look of the living and dining areas. She also asked us to recommend the right furniture and decor to tie everything together. That's why we started by suggesting a repaint, just a few shades darker than white, so they wouldn't feel flat, but still felt soft and classic. Next, we tackled the vertical space. Above the cabinets, we installed a large flat panel wall with geometric art prints and fluted wood slats. This instantly gave the kitchen that mix of clean lines and natural texture, exactly what it needed. To make it feel more lived in, we added simple earthy decor on the main counter. Nothing overwhelming, just enough to warm things up. In the breakfast nook, we brought in boucle bar stools and paired them with a low-pile off-white textured rug for comfort and elegance, while still keeping the space bright and breathable. For the lighting, we use matte black dome pendants hanging low above the island. And finally, we added a tiered globe lamp with 3 soft bulbs, plus some greenery below, to bring in warmth and subtle movement. Now this kitchen feels intentional. Every surface matters. Every item has a purpose. Let's now take a tour of the complete makeover. Lately, we've been getting a lot of inquiries about our services, so to accommodate those who urgently need interior design, we're now accepting priority requests. You can visit our website at www.designburst24.com or hire us directly on Fiverr via the link below. If you want more home transformations, make sure to subscribe.